Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. This week we get to look at Adjoining Deluxe Oceanview Staterooms with Veranda aboard the Disney Fantasy, one of the beautiful ships of Disney Cruise Line. You can see it's a beautiful stateroom with all sorts of wonderful features, with the wonderful Disney entertainment and touches you would expect from Disney Cruise Line. When you're ready to book your next Disney cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks. Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our stateroom on the Disney Fantasy and we're thrilled to be here. Let's take a look. This is a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Veranda. You can see it's a beautiful stateroom, again on the Disney Fantasy. So you can see it's a beautiful queen-size bed with beautiful individually controlled lights on each side of the bed, and we have plugs down there, US and European plugs, and then you have a little storage night table right next to the bed, and the beds are lofted, so you can see you can put your luggage and other things, store them under the bed, and you have beautiful artwork on the walls. And there's the adjoining doors, so we have an adjoining stateroom. Our daughters are in the stateroom next door. We'll look at that in a minute. You have more storage here, right next to the closet, a little drink stand, and a little dresser here. So with drawers, plenty of storage space. And coming over here further, you have the nice flat screen TV that you can move so you can see it more easily, as you can see. And they have a desk here, so the mirror's fogged up. It's a little humid outside. We're in Port Canaveral, Florida today, and it's August, so it's warm and humid. And there's the desk drawer with all kind of fun stationery and postcards and everything. And have a mini fridge in here, so you can keep food or beverages of your choice cold. You can bring 2 bottles of wine or champagne or 6 beers per person on board the ship. You just have to carry it on. There's more storage, and there's the blow dryer. So additional storage by the desk and another cabinet here. We also have a nice coffee table, and these are our lanyards for the 25th anniversary at sea. This is Disney Cruise Line's 25th anniversary. They're doing a fun celebration, and we're Castaway Club Gold members. So you have these nice welcome aboard gifts that they give us, which is very fun. And this sofa, which is very comfortable, also folds down into a single bed. And it's very clever how they do this. So it just folds right down, which is very nice and very comfortable. And then when you're done, you just fold it right back up again. More beautiful artwork on the walls. This curtain actually closes, so if you have an additional person in your stateroom, or if someone wakes up early and the other person wants to sleep, you just take that off and you can close the curtain to give you some more privacy in your stateroom. So very nice. Another very clever feature of Disney cruise ship staterooms. And here is our veranda. You can see it's a beautiful veranda. As I mentioned, we're in Port Canaveral today, so it's a nice sunny day in August in Florida. And there's one of the Royal Caribbean ships over there. There's Jackie.
Hi.
Hi. So you can see we have 2 very nice comfortable chairs and a little coffee table. So you can imagine sitting out here enjoying the beverage of your choice as you watch the world go by on your very own private veranda. And if you have friends next door, you can ask the cabin steward, to open up the door so you can combine the 2 decks into one large deck. So our daughters are next door, so we were able to combine the 2 decks, which is very nice. Coming back inside. Come back over here to the adjoining door. As I mentioned, our daughters are next door. So just peek inside their stateroom. See, it's another beautiful stateroom. And we got the set sail decorations for them. So you can see they're beautiful decorations, and they can take those with them when they come home. So If you have friends or family, you can get adjoining staterooms. Coming back inside, the veranda staterooms also have these wonderful bathrooms. Disney Cruise Line calls them split bathrooms. So they have two sections. You have this wonderful soaking tub and shower combination. So with a shower wand and clotheslines, 2 clotheslines, so you can dry your bathing suits and other belongings. And they have H2O amenities, which are very nice. And they have a single vanity with storage underneath the sink and additional storage racks over here on the wall next to the sink. So very nice. And then right next door is the other half of the bathroom. So one person can be using the bathroom while the other person's getting ready. There's the facilities and another single vanity. So we have 2 single vanities, more storage under the sink, and another mirror, and so on. So very nice. 2 people can be using the facilities at the same time. And then on the opposite side are the closets. So you have a nice good sized closet with our life vests up there and all kinds of hangers and hanging space. We have a safe here for your valuables. Very nice. And last but not least, you have another half of the closet with more life vests and more hanging space and more shelves. So just a beautiful stateroom. We're thrilled to be on board and looking forward to our week-long cruise to the Western Caribbean. So when you're ready to book your next Disney cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.